Hey everyone, this is Tony from Her Homestead Skills, and I thought I would take a break today from the usual working in the kitchen. I'm thinking of what to offer in the next video, and I've got a few ideas, but for today I just needed to take a break from it all, and I decided to try the thrift shops again. And I do go to more than one because they're all a little bit different. I go to two at least now, and yeah, I could spend the day doing that, literally traveling around to the closest thrift shops to me and see what there is. And sometimes you find things, and other days you find nothing at all. Anyway, today was actually okay. I did find a couple of things, and I decided not to get too much. I mean, this day and age, you want to be very careful what you shop for, and I'm going to cut back on things that I just want to be a little bit more cautious with funds. So I did only pick up one item today. Well, actually, two of one item, and they are blue spode. Italian blue spode, set of pastry, a set of 6 pastry forks, and brand new in a box. And there they are. They're so beautiful. You know, I love my blue and white, and spode is very pretty. I'd love a set of spode dishes, but they are fairly expensive, and not right now. So anyway, I did get 2 boxes of this. They have 2 boxes. And I opted, and I went back and forth on this and back and forth on this, whether to get just the one or whether to get them both. And, well, seeing it as, there it is, there's 2. Seeing as it was Tuesday, and Tuesday's the day you get 30% off. I mean, I put one back, picked it up again. Couldn't make up my mind for the longest time, and in the end I did decide to get both of them. And I was telling Mark that, well, yeah, if we have dinner parties, certainly we could use a set of these for pastry dishes. And he said, it's not like we have a lot of dinner parties anymore. We used to, you know, but who knows, maybe we'll have people over for Christmas this year. Don't know. But anyway, I think I paid about in the range of about $11 for the 2 of these. And I did look them up on the internet, and to my pleasant surprise, there is a site that it's called replacements.com, and they have these on sale for $25.95. $25.99 for one of these for a set of 6, and their regular price is $45. So I guess I didn't do too badly after all. But they'll go into my drawer, and hopefully I'll be able to set a beautiful table this year with all kinds of lovely dishes and cutlery and all the rest of it, and china. Anyway, I have it. It's a matter of whether we can get a group together and whether it's worthwhile to make a dinner for everyone. It is a lot of work. Okay, and that is basically all I got at the thrift shop today. But what I did notice, and I'm going to post a bunch of pictures of it, is that it appears to be that it is Christmas time at the thrift shops already. I mean, it's the 1st of November, so we've got, 5 weeks now? 5 weeks to Christmas. And, no, more than that. What am I saying? We've got 4, closer to 7 to 8 weeks to Christmas. But the thrift shops are already preparing with all the Christmas stock that has been donated to them, and some of it's quite lovely. I'm in no hurry to get any Christmas decor, so I passed it all by today, but I did take a whole bunch of pictures, and I'm going to post them here for your for anyone that's interested. Okay, short film today. I'll get back, we'll get back into the swing of things. I just needed a break from all the chaos and all the turmoil. And here in Ontario, we're having, mind you, it doesn't affect me at all, but there could be a strike for teachers, which will affect hundreds of thousands of parents trying to get their children. The teachers could go on strike by this Friday, although the government's trying to force them back to work. So we'll see what happens there. And here we have an inquiry into whether or not the Emergencies Act should have been invoked. And that is going on currently too. So as well, we're watching what's going on in the US with your election coming up. So there's a lot of things going on, and it was a little good to take a little bit of a break from it all. Get back to it all pretty soon though. Anyway, this is Tony from Her Homestead Skills. Hope you enjoyed this little video, and we'll catch you on the next one.